Journey, sit. Good girl. Sit, good girl. So at Great Off Leash Dog Training, we board our past trainees, but it's not your standard boarding. We fine-tune our dogs, we socialize them, we get them out and about. So I just wanted to show you that command, sit from a distance. It's something we're working on. This is a Journey. She went to a board train back in 20 ago, but I've been watching her for the day, so I just wanted to show you her stability and her sit from a distance, her extended sit from a distance, so you can see how far away she is from me. So just kind of showing you guys some of the advanced stuff that we do at Great Off Leash Dog Training when we board our dogs down the road. So now, Journey, great, good job! We also work through all year round, no matter what the weather is. Good girl! Good job, Journey! Sit, good girl. And great! Now I'm going to show you guys another advanced command I've taught Journey while fine-tuning her. We're going to do sit while in motion. So as you can see, Journey's walking. Journey, sit! Journey, good girl. So as you can see, I haven't stopped moving. She went into a sit. And great! Good job!